Hey everybody, and welcome back for another knife review. Really excited because today I've got the Kizer Sheepdog C01C. It's new to 2023 and it features a clutch lock for the locking mechanism on this bad boy, which I believe is the first time a clutch lock has been offered on the Sheepdog. So before we get into some highs and lows of this Sheepdog, let's go over a couple of stats. The overall length is 7.6 inches. Blade length is 3.15 inches. Blade thickness is 0.11 inches. Blade material is 154 cm steel. Handle length is 4.45 inches. And the handle material is aluminum. The pocket clip is a reversible deep carry pocket clip. The weight is 4.76 ounces. So let's get into some highs. For one, this is, to my knowledge, the first and only fully ambidextrous sheepdog that Kizer presently makes. So thankfully now in 2023, we can say we finally have a fully ambidextrous Kizer Sheepdog. Another high would be the fidget factor. This is an extremely fidgety knife. For one, you've got the ambidextrous thumb studs, which are removable, by the way, which is, something good to know, I think, if you don't like those thumb studs. You've also got the thumb hole cut out, which is large enough to allow you to deploy the knife, to spidey flick the knife, which is, definitely adds to the fidget factor. You can even use the clutch lock to open the knife if you just pull back on it. You've got a little bit of wiggle there, but not much. I'd say the knife is very well built and locks up very, very well. And thanks to that large sheep's foot blade, you really have a lot of confidence in its capabilities, and you can really bear down on stuff that may be harder to cut through. Nice 4-finger grip on this knife with medium to large size hands. Very nice. Locks up really well. There's good texturing along each side of the handle that gives you a bit more grip as well. The reversible deep carry pocket clip is, I would say, very ergonomic. It doesn't get in the way of my grip. I don't feel like it's pinching my hand or the palm of my hand. And the fact that it's reversible is just that's a home run for me. As far as lows go, I haven't honestly encountered a whole lot of lows with this knife yet. It's the only real low that I have about this Sheepdog so far is with these thumb studs. I've noticed that they have come loose a few times. While it is a large knife and it is going to take up quite a bit of real estate in your pocket, it doesn't carry like a super heavy knife. That deep carry pocket clip does a great job of keeping it in place, and thankfully, as the knife is relatively flat, it fits nicely against your person, doesn't really roll around in your pocket or snag up on things. I love the fact that this knife is fully ambidextrous. I love the anodized grimace purple scales. Coating seems nice. It hasn't rubbed off or chipped off, and I suppose it does a good job of protecting that blade. And the blade was really sharp right out of the box, and has remained sharp over the weeks that I've had it. It's sliced through anything that I've thrown at it so far. No complaints there. It's everything I could have hoped that the Sheepdog would be and more. I think if you've been on the fence about a Kizer Sheepdog for a while and haven't pulled the trigger on one yet, I think this model is the one to do so. Do you have a Kizer Sheepdog? Go ahead and share your experiences with it below. And as always, I'd appreciate your like and comment. It's really fun to see what you guys think out there. Thanks so much, guys, and take care.